Baik teman-teman, gimana kalau mengefektifkan waktu sambil nunggu Andre? Kita skip dulu ke kelompok yang lain yang siap, silakan langsung aja ya. Apakah ada? Kelompoknya Siska mungkin ya, Siska ya?
Iya Bapak, untuk
Baik, kelompoknya Lala aja. Silakan mungkin bisa
iya
dikirim.
Bapak sama Siska.
Oh iya, Lala sama Siska silakan file-nya dikirim ke Gina atau misalkan kalian dari HP bisa langsung share screen-nya di Antos ya. Mana
Bapak langsung aja.
gas langsung. Enggak, saya sambil siap-siap dulu ya buat berangkat ke Cilau.
Baik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. The Honorable Mr. Soni, as a lecturer in English for Social Studies, and all of my friends whom I love and I'm from of previously. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siska Widya Lestari. I'm the moderator here who will lead the discussion this morning. Introducing us from the group of three, the consisting of Siska, Laila, Suntia, and Ahmad Diat. Even that we are going to miss first opening, presentation of material, question and answer session, and closing. There are group will present a journal about social science education in historical perspective. Our group discussion include first, introduction, second, review of related literature, three, method, five, finding or discussion, five, concluding or recommendation. It's good to start our presentation by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, to shorten the export time, the first material will be presented by Laila Nurizki. To him, I invite.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Introduction, background, one, social student education and modernization. Social student learning needs to be reconstructed. Social student learning always get the sport league related to the role of the teacher and the condition of the student. The curriculum is a basic aspect in the development of social student education learning. The direction of learning in accordance with the goals and intensity of social student education. 2. History education as a source for social student education is useful as knowledge. B. Research question. Why social student learning needs to be reconstructed? 2. How is the social student learning development curriculum? 3. What is the direction of learning? How is the social student learning development curriculum? 3. What is the direction of learning is accordance with the goals and identity of social student. 4. How is the study useful as knowledge?
Okay, thanks to Laila Nurizki who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Ahmad Jiyad. To him, I invite.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Social studies education in integrative based on a selection between educational and social skills and other kinds humanities regarding basic human activities by presenting scientifically, paying attention to pedagogic and psychologic aspect for educational purpose. Learning in social studies education is required to refer to the nature of social studies education in the form and of scientific learning and based and models of human behavior that grow in society. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to Ahmad Iyad. The next material will be presented by myself. Method. The method we use is quantitative population 60 student, class 12, senior high school to Garut. 30 student is sample, and 10 teacher, class 12 a sample with media pretest. Okay, the next material will be Suntianawati. To him, I invite.
Thanks to moderator for giving me the time. Well, here I will explain about finding or discussion. A. Social studies education and modernization, and B. History education as a research for social studies education. Maybe that's the explanation I can convey. I will return it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks to Suntianawati. The next material, the conclusion, presented by myself. Social science education was introduced in the world of Indonesian education when IKIP Bandung carried out the pioneering school development project which was then included in the national education curriculum throughout the curriculum is a basic apex in the development of social studies education learning because it contains set for developing planning, learning, and evaluation. Social studies education is integrative, based on a selective between educational science, social science, and other science humanities, with the development of the time and modernization today. Studying social studies education need to renovate and carry out scientific learning based on model of human behavior that grow in society. Okay, the next question and answer season. Ada sesi tanya jawab, Pak?
Tidak ada.
Oh, tidak ada. Okay, thanks. Well, thanks to my friends and my Okay, thanks for all. But the presentation of the material and education discussion being completed for the this discussion of our group. Thanks. Dan mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable Good morning, all. The Honorable Mr. Sony as a lecturer in English for Social Studies, and all of my friends whom I love and I'm proud of previously. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sofadian Permata. I'm the moderator here who will lead the discussion this morning. Introducing you from the group of 5. The group of 5 consisting of Hairul Ardi, Pinana Pianti, Muhammad Rizky Hisa, dan saya sendiri. Even that we are going to miss, here our group will present a journal about social media affection. Mohon maaf. Our group will present a journal about social media effect on social change community in Indonesia. Our group discussion include introduction, review of related literature, method, finding or discussion, and conclusion or recommendation. It's good to start our presentation by saying Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So, to shorten the exposure time, the first material will be presented by Ardi. To him, I invite.
Moderator. Introduction, background, the dynamic of people's life are developing very rapidly. In fact, social media has changed the social life of almost all levels and social status. The government need to regulate freedom in the use of social media in Indonesia. Research question: what is social media? What is the impact of social media on society in Indonesia? What is the influence of social media, the social change people in Indonesia? Thanks.
Okay, thanks to Ardi who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Muhammad Rizki Hisam. To him, I invite.
Okay, thanks to moderator. The moderator giving us me. Review of related literature. According to the Big Dictionary in Indonesian, or KBBI, influence is power that exists and arises from something people think that helps shape a person, character, belief, or action. Andreas Kaplan and Michael Hyland define media social as a group internet-based application built on ideological foundation and Web 2.0 technology, and which allow creation and exchange of user-generated content. Kingsley defines social change as change that occur in the structure and community function. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to Muhammad Rizki Hisam who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Pina. To him, I invite.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. Here I will explain about methods. There are 3 methods of data collection carried out in this study, namely 1. Observation method, which is a method that is carried out by making direct observation of community activity in several regions of Indonesia. 2. Interview method, which is a method carried out by conducting direct interview with respondents and informants. 3. Literature study method, namely in the form of literature review in accordance with research, either in the form of book or from internet search. Maybe that's all the moderator from me. I will return it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thanks to Pina Nopianti who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Khairul Ardi. To him, I invite.
Okay, for finding our discussion from the result of research conducted, social media has positive and negative impact. The positive impact The positive impact of the use of social media has actually had an impact on social change in society for the better, but the impact negative tends to bring social change in society that eliminates values or norms in Indonesia society. With the presence of social media as a new technology, of course, the way of human life will also experience change. Some change are the more effective and efficient human in obtaining information that is not hindered by time, place, and cost that is not too expensive. Thank you.
Oh, iya na sistemnya. Ya ngelilana.
Okay, thanks for RD who has presented the material. But the presentation of material have been complete. And for the conclusion, social media is an online medium with its user being able to easily participate, share, and create content, including blogs, social networks, wikis, forum, and virtual world. Blogs, social network, and wikis are the most common form of social media used by people around the world. The positive impact of social media is that it makes it easier for us to interact with many people, expand relationship, distance and time are no longer a problem. Easier to express ourselves. Information dissemination can take place quickly, cost cheaper. While the negative impact of social media is to keep people away from its cause and face-to-face interaction tend to decrease, making people become addicted to internet, causing conflict, privacy concern, vulnerable against the bad influence of others. The existence of social media has influenced social life in society. Change in social relationship or as change to the balance of social relation and all from of change in social institution within the community. That's the discussion of our group. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. The Honorable Mr. Soni, as a lecturer in the course English for Social Science, and all friends whom I love and am proud of, introduce a strong group for which consists of Winda Siti Fatona, myself, Fikri Asani Hasanuddin, Gina Amalia, and Muhammad Dipa. Our group will present material about improving student achievement on social science by using cooperative learning method. Our group discussion include introduction, review of related literature, method, finding or discussion, and conclusion or recommendation. It's good to start our presentation by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Due to shorten the exposure time, the first material will be presented by Fikri. To him, I invite.
Wait a minute. Bentar. Thanks for the opportunity. Now I will convey about improving student achievement of social science by using cooperative learning method part of introduction and finding or discussion. Let's get started. Introduction, part of background. The importance of social science. In this case, school, especially in elementary, has to teach social science in the order correct word of the good society and citizenship and well. By learning social science at school, and child will learn about his role as social creator and will be able to implement his role in his society. For this purpose, social science has to be taught in the right word by using the effective method and technique. On the them, one of them that is popular nowadays is cooperative learning method with its papers technique. And second, the advance of cooperative learning method. Cooperative learning method has a stage to increase student social skill. Therefore, this method is useful to apply for children and older to prepare them as a democratic citizen. In short, and they can infer that implement cooperative learning method in elementary school has a great advantage in preparing the pupil to learn to live together. Third, cooperative learning method is also used leadership training. Besides in the schools, cooperative learning method is also used in leadership training and fact can encourage leadership competitions. Garcia Abrego and Robert 2017 find they are trained by using jigsaw model show better leadership. Fourth, three techniques take in the cooperative method. Science teaching technique beyond the cooperative method is various. Therefore, it will take a long time on the hard attempt to compare them in a single research. Therefore, in this research, two technique in limit into three technique. Jigsaw, number B, number head to get together, and C, make a match. The subject there are to best study is limited only social science. The answer of various and one can have different perspective about it. By using this cooperative learning method, the pupils can construct phenomena collaboratively. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Then I will return into the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Fikri who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Muhammad Ifa.
Well, thank you, the moderator, who has given me the opportunity to explain the material related to the research question. What are the terms cooperative method that said the involved student achievement in social student subject? What is the difference between Jigsaw and HT and MOM? Which of the teaching quest is most effective in involving student achievement in social student subject? Research objective. This research to find out which teaching among those teaching quiz is a most effective one in increasing student achievement on social scan. The rest is know and differences Jigsaw and HT and MOM test quiz that belong to supportive learning methods on student as film in learning social science.
Okay, thanks to Muhammad Ifa who has presented the material. The next material will be presented by Gina.
Okay. Well, thank you to the moderator who has given me the opportunity to explain the material related to the point 2, review of related literature. 1. Slavin 2013 on cooperative learning methods. According to Slavin 2013, cooperative learning method has a significant correlation with student achievement. Inter-student relations, self-esteem, and general developing knowledge. He also argues that the aim of cooperative methods is using learner potentials to share with his peers in his group in the class. Consequently, all the group members has a better comprehension about teaching materials they are learning rather than teacher explain it alone. 2. Slavin 2013 on 6 model that use cooperative learning methods. Slavin 2013 identifies more than 6 models using these cooperative learning methods. A. Student teams achievement divisions STAD. B. Teams games tournament TGT C. Team assisted individualization, TAT. D. Jigsaw learning together group. E. Investigation, and F. Other learning models. 3. Garcia, Abrego, and Robert, 2017, on discovering the use of the jigsaw. Besides in school, cooperative learning method is also used in leadership training, and in fact, it can increase leadership competencies. Garcia, Abrego, and Robert find that they who are trained by using jigsaw model show better leadership. 4. Suprijono, 2015, on identify some of teaching technique models. Suprijono identifies some of teaching techniques model that route to cooperative learning method are: A. Jigsaw, B. Number hit together, C. Think pair share, D. Team assisted individualization, E. Student teams achievement divisions, F. Picture and picture, G. Problem solving, H. Team games tournament, I. Cooperative integrated, J. Reading and composition, K. Learning cycle, L. Cooperative script, M. Cooperative make a match, and type group investigation, and so on. Five. Johnson and Holubeck, 1986, on cooperative learning. Cooperative learning method is a method that makes students working together in a group to get group goals that cannot be obtained through self-employment or competitively. 6. Arato and Varga, 2015, on Jigsaw. Jigsaw was one of the list of the cooperative learning method. In Jigsaw, each student in a 5 to 6 member group is given unique information on a topic that the whole group is studying. 7. Suprijono, 2015, about NHT technique. According to Suprijono, is done by dividing students into small group that consists of 9 10 students, and each group member is given a number between after the teacher gives to the topic to be studied. Each group is then given a time to discuss it together. Huda, 2016, on the make a match MAM technique. According to Huda, was developed by Lorna Karen. Like preceding technique in this MAM, the students also are divided into several groups. Differ from GIG and NHT in MAM technique, they are not provided with expert in delivering lesson material. Teacher prepare to our more card. Okay, maybe I will return the material from me to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Gina. The next material will be presented by myself. Method. Population is a government elementary school or SD Negeri in Tangerang. The extract sample is 3 school that is taken by using cluster random sampling. Each school is represented by its level 5. They are given treatment for 4 times each other by using different techniques. The first school, which 39 students, is taught by using jigsaw technique. The second, with 31 students, by using numbered together or NH. And last, with 35 students, by using make a match. The test items issued in conduction, pretest, and post-test. Data analysis is done by applying SPSS, sub-ANOVA, within treatment, and hectares. The next material will be presented by Fikri. To him, I invite.
Thanks you for opportunity. Come back with me again. We will continue the next discussion. Finding or discussion. Finding the most effective technique in improving elementary student social science learning achievement outside of the cooperative method in MOM, then NHT and Jigsaw follow. Through those analysis, and it can be understood that Jigsaw and NHT technique is not different significantly, and they can be used interchangeable. Meanwhile, technique is different with this technique in the increasing student achievement in the learning social science for elementary school. First discussion. The reason the main technique is most effective in improving student achievement. First, student involvement in deciding subtopic. One reason for this fact in grown by student involvement in deciding the subtopic that they want to learn. The technique makes increasement of student self-esteem and self-confidence in learning topic they are discussing. Second, main technique is setting. Another reason that make MOM technique to be the best one among just the three technique is setting. Using MOM technique seem to be like flying for the fulfill. They can make any experiment and arrange the word or picture, but they cannot refer to logical one. Thank you. Return to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Fikri. Both the presentation of the material and discussion have been completed for the conclusion. Namely, the research concluded that among three techniques, jigsaw, numbered together and make a match. AIM is the most effective one in increasing student achievement in the learning school science in the level 4 of elementary school. Next, even though there is a difference score between Jig and Haiti, this difference is not significant. Therefore, they can be used interchangeable. That's a discussion of our group. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, praise and gratitude for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. For the grace we can gather here in this meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about improving social studies learning achievement through the group investigation learning method. Now, I will read one by one our agenda today that are: the first session is opening, the second session is introduction, the third session is presentation time, the fourth session is closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's open our meeting by saying Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the next agenda is presentation session. For the first, will be given by the first presenter. Please welcome Firmansyah.
Thanks for moderator. Main problem, no student learning outcome in social studies subject in 4th grade elementary school Tinatok. There is several factors that cause students low understanding of the social studies lesson include student to imitate whatever is conveyed by the teacher without in question into the material is not be understood properly good. To improve student learning outcomes, research use the method learning group investigation in teaching social studies subject. Next. This classroom action research design follows the spiral chemist and MC model. The target is carried out the 2 cycle and each cycle goes to 4 stage, namely for 1, planning, 2, implementation, 3, observation, 4, reflection. Thanks for attention. Saya kembalikan lagi kepada moderator.
Okay, thank you Firmansyah for presenting. Next turn is for the second speaker. Andre, the floor is yours.
Okay, social science or social studies as one of the subjects elementary school has an important role because the subject aim to equip students with relevant knowledge and skill with everyday life. It can also be asked by students in development of abilities and rational attitudes about social phenomena as well as development of Indonesian society both in the past and in the future. Social studies learning has an important role, but success many teachers complain about social studies learning. These complaints include ability in the teaching and learning process. In reality, the follow has not started. This can be seen from the result of daily tests and report card. This is because the teacher only asks the lecture method. Next.
Okay, social studies teaching serves to develop knowledge and basic skills that are useful for him in everyday life. Teaching history aims to enable students to develop understanding about the development of society from the past to the present, so that students have pride as Indonesian people and love their homeland. The, the scope of social studies teaching include the problem of human life and community within local. Social studies teaching examines matter human life, economy, society, culture, law, politics, geographical history, and even religions life. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Andrea, for presenting. Next turn is for the third speaker. Sylvie, the floor is yours.
Well, thanks to the moderator who has given me the time to explain the material about definition of learning achievement. Achievement according to Winkel, 1984, achievement is evidence of successful success someone has achieved. Meanwhile, Buhari, 1997, argues that achievement is the result achieved by a person is a result of learning in the form of numbers, letters, and actions of learning outcomes achieved. It can be concluded that what is meant by achievement is that result of children's work achieved and is evidence of success learning in the form of letters or numbers to motivate students to achieve better over a period of time. Learning in the most general sense is behavior change is a result of experience general gained or is a result of individual interactions with environment because humans are dynamic and often to various changes that occur in oneself and the surrounding environment, the learning process will always happen. Next. Study in the constructivist view according to Baharudin and Esa Nurwahyuni, 2007, here's the following characteristic. One, students are actively involved in their learning. Two, new information must be linked with previous information so that integrate into schemata that students have. From the definition above, it can be concluded the learning consists of several elements that characteristic the notion of learning, namely, one, learning is an attempt to get a change in behavior during the learning experience. Two, learning is a form of growth or change from within someone with a new way of practicing is a result of experience. Three, learning in active process for students to unit and converse the experience he already has with new information which he got. That's just my presentation of the material. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Sylvie, for presenting. Next turn, as for the third speaker, Dila, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank to the moderator who has given me time to explain the material. The method that can be used in social studies learning include there is the first assignment, project discussion, field trip, role-playing, documentation, question and answer exercise, lectures, exhibition, game, story, and simulation. Next. The implementation of the research. Following the research model referred to the classroom action research proposed by chemist and Ms. Tagan in Suharsini 2010 137. Namely, action planning, information of action, observation and reflection. The subject of this study were for grades of elementary school 1 Tinaukawu 3 are 30 students. 12 male students and active student and registered in the advanced semester of the 2013-2014 academic year. The data collected in this study are student learning outcomes in working on the question given to the final test of each action and the result of observation that contain not about learning activities, but relating to the teacher research as well as relating to students, well as the result student learning. Next. Data analysis technique. Quantitative data analysis for learning outcome. The technique should analyze the data to determine the percentage of student learning completeness using the formula as following. The first, individual absorption and classing learning completeness. Thank you.
Finally, we are come to the last agenda. We would like to say thanks again for the presenter and all of the audience for active participation. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.